RevaShelf Door Mount Kit is designed to work with almost any RV series waste container, single and two-tier pull-out baskets, two-tier cookware organizers, and several hampers. In order to install, you will need the following tools: number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a power drill with a 3/32" drill bit and a Phillips head bit, and an adjustable wrench. In your box, you will find the following parts: 2 door brackets, 2 L brackets, 4 door extenders, 4 machine screws, 4 screws and nuts, 6 wood screws. Begin by removing your cabinet door and remove the hinges from the door. Set door aside. Using the provided screws and nuts, attach the L brackets to your slide. We recommend using an adjustable wrench in order to properly secure. Attach the door brackets to the outside of the L brackets using the 4 provided machine screws. Our goal is to line up the brackets to the thick portion of your cabinet door. If the brackets do not line up with the thick portion, optional spacers are provided. Measure the base of the face frame up to each slotted hole location and record those dimensions. Measure the entire door opening and record that value. Now measure the entire height of your cabinet door and record that value. In our case, we have a full overlay door, so the door is larger than the opening. No worries, simply subtract the cabinet opening dimension from the door length dimension. Divide that number by 2, and you will have the dimension you need to add to your hole location dimensions recorded earlier. Transfer those dimensions to your door from the bottom and mark the hole locations. Pre-drill the hole locations, keeping sure not to drill through your cabinet door. Attach the door to the brackets with the provided wood screws. You can fully adjust the door by loosening the positioning bolts. Once the door is aligned, tighten the bolts. Your installation is now complete. Thanks for watching.